Okay, today we're going to take a little bit of a review test in this new application that I use called Edpuzzle. And you're going to answer the questions that you need to do, and then you're going to see the correct answer. Okay, the first thing is, what is the name of this application that you're about to sign into? When you sign into this, what email address do you use to sign into Microsoft Office? You of course use your student number at gfalls.wednet.edu. Once you're into Office 365, the way to navigate it is to go to here. What is this called? Once you get to the waffle, we are going to go to Microsoft Word. We are going to make a new blank document. What is the very first thing that you do when you open up a new Word document? The very first thing that you do is you go to the backstage, you go to Save As, and you name it as something that makes sense. After you name it something that makes sense, like your name and the assignment, what do you do next? You make sure that it is saved into the correct folder. This is called the heading. Make sure you put your name, period, and the assessment number. If my first task is to change the font size, what tab am I going to use to change the font size? Home tab, font size is here. If task number 2 is to put in a picture of an airplane, what tab do I use? I go to the Insert tab, Picture, Bing Images, Airplane, Insert. If task number 3 is to add a scientific notation with subscript, what button do I use to change H2O into subscript? To change H2O into subscript, you highlight the number 2, you go to the Home tab, you look for the X with the 2 below it, subscript. If task number 4 is to align Tech is Cool to the center of the page, what is the tab and what is the subheading that you would find the alignment? The tab is Home. The alignment is called Paragraph. Center Align. if task number 5 is to insert page numbers to the bottom center, what is the tab that we would use? We would use Insert, Page Numbers, drop the window down in the center. After we insert page numbers, what do we do? All we have to do after we've inserted the page numbers is come up into this gray area and click. There are our page numbers.